What's going on, guys? Today's tutorial is for Before You Go by Lewis Capaldi. This one's pretty straightforward. We've only got two guitar parts to learn, the part in the verse and the part in the chorus. I'm going to keep this quick, but there's some pretty bad things going on in Australia right now, and I found my favorite charity. It's called Wires, and they support wildlife impacted by bushfires. I put a link in the description below this video. Check them out if you can, and if you're able to donate, then make a donation. I did myself. It's a great cause, and now let's get back into the tutorial. So let's get started on a C chord for the strumming pattern that we're going to play for the entire song. So this one's got a little bit of a swing feel to it, which gives it that bouncy feeling kind of rhythm. And it's going to be played with down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Once you can play that strumming pattern, we're going to switch between a C, A minor, F, and G. You can use the full bar chord F if you want. I usually just use the simple version. Makes it a lot easier to play. And then you're going to play that full strumming pattern twice on each chord before switching. If you find these chords difficult, then you're going to want to start with my free intro to guitar course and then come back to this video after that. Then you can just play that part for all the verses and all the pre-choruses. Then moving into the chorus, which is the only other part we need to play the song, we're going to use the exact same strumming pattern and the exact same chords, just switch the order of them up a little bit. So now for the choruses, our chord progression is going to be C, G, A minor, and F. So the exact same chords, just in a different order and with the exact same strumming pattern. And so that's really straightforward, but with those two parts, you can play the entire song. It doesn't always have to be complicated to sound good. So you can just play those chords and that'll work nicely for the song, but if you want to try out the finger picking, I'm not going to go through it because it's pretty straightforward, but just if you want to try it out as something that's a little tougher, then I'll just play it for you and you can try and follow along with the tabs. If you're new to fingerstyle guitar, then you can check out my complete finger picking program in the link in the description below or clicking right here. Now that is a little bit fast. If you want to, you can play that half speed and just follow along with the same changes, but play it this fast instead. And so forth for the rest of that part. Following the same tabs, just playing half the times. And with that, you should be able to play this entire song. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Let me know in the comments below what songs you want me to do next. I often read your comments to get the next suggestions for the next videos. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe to get more videos like this and hit that notification bell so that you're always notified when I post a new video. With that, we'll see you in the next 5-minute guitar lesson.